Creasol Sender is a remote-controlled duplicator that permits to open gates, garage doors, barriers easily from the car.
It can copy up to 4 different remote controls, to open gate, garage door, gate at work, and so on. The 4 channels can be programmed independently, using remote control in different frequencies.
It has a wire antenna and 2 power supply wires, that should be connected to the high beam light relay or fuse. By default, it starts transmitting as soon as it is supplied.
When installed in a vehicle, it's better to configure device in car mode, so at least 2 flashes are needed to transmit. To get into car mode, we have to set parameter 9 to value 3. Now press button 9 times. LED will flash once, because by default parameter 9 is set to 1. Now press button 3 times to set in car mode. Default frequency is 868 MHz. To copy our remote control on channel 1, we have to set the frequency to 433 MHz, setting parameter 5 to value 2. Press button once to select channel 1, then push button 5 times, wait for LED showing the current frequency, and press button twice to set frequency to 433 MHz. Push once to select channel 1, then push button twice to start copying the remote control. LED flashes twice if a valid code was received, 4 times if a rolling code was received. Now simulate a short high beam flash followed by a long flash, to transmit channel 1. To get a longer transmission time, we have to set parameter 6 to value 8. Push button 1 to select channel 1, then push button 6 times for parameter 6, wait for LED showing current value, and push button 8 times corresponding to the set value. Let's try again, short flash plus long flash, and transmission now will be longer. Now program channel 2 for 433 MHz. Push button twice to select channel 2, push button 5 times to select frequency parameter. Push button twice to select 433 MHz frequency. To copy the remote control, press button twice to select channel 2, and press button twice to start copying. Now to transmit channel 2 we have to simulate 2 short flashes followed by a long flash. You can set transmitter in hold to run mode, if you want that it transmits for max 20 seconds, until you release the high beam lever. Push button twice to select channel 2, push button 6 times to select parameter 6. Finally push button twice, to set hold to run mode. Now we can decide the transmission time by holding the high beam lever for the desired time. If we need to open the gate from a longer distance, select the corresponding channel and set parameter 8 to value 4. It can be placed in the vehicle trunk, inside the fuse box, with the supply wires connected to the high beam relay coil, or between the high beam fuse and chassis. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel.